Yeah, exactly. Jack, I am on the phone!
Star Wars. Star Wars. Hey, Mama. Star Wars.
This is my office. Don't get me wrong, I am thankful to have my own office, but with homeschooling, it has its moments. Guys, please be quiet. I'm on the phone.
We talk, we laugh, we play, they wrestle, and that produces a lot of noise. It was very distracting for him.
Often they're just playing and talking or eating together, but in fact there's a lot of distraction still for me inside the office. So I end up being negative and telling people to be quiet, even though really what I'm just trying to do is focus inside the office.
Well, when Dad tells us to be quiet, it's startling sometimes because you're just there having fun and then he's just like, oh, be quiet, I'm working.
Please stop that!
When Dad yells at us, it's kind of annoying sometimes.
While we understand that we're being loud, it's really hard to kind of say, oh no, let's stop this amazing, lovely moment, because no, we have to be quiet.
We did quite a few things to try and solve this. I went through the process of replacing the whole door. It didn't change one single thing. I did not solve this problem. It was a moment of genius from Anna.
I had bought a white noise maker for Greg for his travel to take in his hotel room to kind of help cut down on noise so that he could sleep peacefully. A light bulb went off one day that we should just give it a try in the office. Surprise, surprise, the problem is completely solved.
Having the noise maker is a huge win-win.
I can't even remember the last time Dad told us to be quiet.
Now he's able to just have his space working. When he comes outside, he leaves the work behind him. He's able to just fully focus on having fun with us, making noise with us.
So how does any of this apply to all of you at home who are trying to work, homeschool, and have a life while you're all living together?
The noisemaker is not a complete cure-all, but it really helps to have at least one room of the home where somebody can go and have almost total silence.
So during this time of quarantine, maybe the white noise maker will be just what you need to make things a little more sane in your house.